dry skin can be something that we deal with at any time of the year. And since our skin is the largest organ in our body and does absorb things through it, we want to make sure we use non-toxic things on our skin. Today, we are going to make a beautiful body butter in two different fragrances with essential oils that will help to protect, nourish, and rejuvenate your skin, be it your hands, your arms, your legs, your belly, wherever. To make this, we're going to start with equal parts of 3 ingredients. The first is shea butter. So I've got measured out 2.5 ounces of shea butter. Plop that in there. Shea butter is very nourishing to the skin. It softens and hydrates. It's anti-inflammatory. It's packed with antioxidants, so it's ideal for every type of skin, from regular to dry. It also soaks in quickly, and it makes a moisture sealing barrier, so it's very nice for your skin. If you want an alternative, you could use mango butter for that. Then we're going to add cocoa butter. Got 2.5 ounces of cocoa butter. This is kind of grated. It'll melt faster because it comes in hard chunks. So cocoa butter is also high in antioxidants. It has a positive impact on skin health. It's high in fatty acids and it hydrates deeply, which is good for skin. It also helps with skin irritations and skin issues to help the skin look softer and smoother. It can help with skin elasticity and help decrease the appearance of wrinkles, and it also absorbs quickly. Then we are going to add coconut oil. So coconut oil is antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory. So it's like a superfood for your skin, which is always a good thing to have. And we're going to take this and melt it in a double boiler system. I'm just going to set this bowl over a pan of boiling water and melt it, and we will be back. So now we're going to put it in the freezer and get it semi-hard, and then we'll whip it and make it a beautiful whipped body butter. So it took about 35 minutes for this to set up. You want to be able to push in and it'll leave an indentation and not just melt all away. So I started out with 20, I added 5 minutes, and then went in 3 and 2 minute increments until it got to the right consistency. Each freezer is a little bit different in how hot your oil is to start with. So now we're going to whip it. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of arrowroot powder. This will help to make it so it's not so greasy on your skin. Add that. And we'll add a little bit of vitamin E oil. Just drizzle a little in here. This just works as a little bit of a preservative, so it lasts a little longer, although coconut oil lasts very well. We will mix that in. I'm going to scrape this down on the sides. Okay, so it's nicely whipped. Very lovely. Oh, it feels so good on my skin. Then I'm going to divide this into 2 different bowls so I can add different oils to each bowl. All right, so in this bowl, I'm going to add frankincense and some yarrow palm. I'm going to add about 10 drops of each. Frankincense is good for everything. It's very good for the skin, used in lots of beauty treatments. And helps to decrease the appearance of fine wrinkles. Yarrow Palm is amazing on your skin. I use it every night to help with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is a blue color. That's from the chemical constituent chemazoline. Which is very calming and soothing for the skin. So we'll add those two. Both are very nourishing and great for your skin. This other one, I'm going to add rose. So frankincense is the king of oil, rose is the queen. Great antibacterial, antiviral properties, very soothing to the skin. It has a very high frequency to it. Totally great for your skin, for your muscles, for your nerves. So wonderful. This is a very potent oil. So I'm going to add 4 drops of that. And then I'm going to add Blue Tansy, which is also really good for your skin and also very calming and soothing for the nerves. So these two work really well together to make your skin nice and soft and to help your mood too. So this one is also blue with the chemazoline constituent. I'm going to put 10 drops of the Blue Tansy in there, and we'll mix that up. So you can see this has still a slight blue hue, but when you put it on your skin, that gets absorbed. It goes away. So you're not going to turn into a little Smurf. But it fades very quickly. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, then we're going to put it in some jars. So I found these beautiful little, what are they? Hexagon jars at an Amish thrift store, and thought they would be beautiful to put this in for a gift. So that was my thinking. I think I'm going to need a smaller spoon. And then we have 2 different flavors or smells of body butter that will help to keep your skin moist and smooth and well nourished. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.